This is a uterus. And this is a uterus of someone with PCOS that hasn't had a period in several months, noticing this thick endometrium. Let's explain why we can go several months without having a period and then suddenly bleed for 2 weeks straight. This is an ovary. Each cycle, the brain releases FSH, which triggers one of these small follicles to grow. While growing, it produces estradiol. Estradiol will thicken this endometrium. When the follicle has fully grown, the brain releases LH, triggering this follicle to burst open, releasing the egg known as ovulation. What remains is this yellow leftover sac that produces progesterone. Progesterone prevents this endometrium from becoming too thick. What often happens in PCOS is a follicle is selected to grow each cycle, but it doesn't ovulate, leading to a buildup of these follicles or cysts on the ovaries. If we're not ovulating, no progesterone will be produced, which means the endometrium remains thick. One of two things will happen. Either the endometrium becomes unstable and disorganized to the point where it outgrows its own blood supply, leading to a spontaneous bleed. This is why we can suddenly bleed for 2 to 3 weeks straight after months without having a period. Or the endometrium remains thick, putting us at risk for abnormal cell growth. To prevent this, we give progesterone or a progestin. What this comes down to is, if we want consistency with our periods, we need consistency with ovulation. If you're not ovulating, we need to figure out why. The answer is in our blood report. Send this to someone who would like this visual.